What's happening, y'all? It's that time, and I got your hug. Been thinking about time. More specifically, been thinking about time management. It's very easy for me to get all spun up and excited and buy new time management apps and gizmos and gadgets. I mean, I got this fancy thing right here. It's got a whole bunch of buttons, but it can't slow time down for me, and it can't give me more time. So really, can I manage time? You know, we all have the same 24 hours. And I'm thinking that it's really a matter of managing myself. How do I manage my behavior, my actions, my energy within those 24 hours, within, set time limits? When I start thinking about it that way, I very quickly realize what I could be doing and what I'm actually spending time on. So the thought for you is, how good are you at managing yourself? These Monday morning hugs have been coming at you for a few months now, and y'all have been very gracious with feedback and positive comments about some of the weird stuff and maybe some of the good stuff. We appreciate that. Thank you. It motivates me to keep going. And I'd love for y'all to subscribe right here. Leave us a note, share with your friends, be cool, and we'll talk at you next time.